I just reached my 1-year anniversary in this car, and my gift was that tax bill. What's up, Radar Cars family? Let's talk about Uncle Sam, who's a Sorry, was just thinking out loud. Let's talk about taxes, and how much taxes we have to pay to Mr. Sam. Uncle Sam, as it were. So you want to buy a car like the GT350. Here's what you're going to have to cough up. So the tax rate in Connecticut is 6.35%. Now, that's for a car under $50,000. If you want to buy a car over $50,000, you have to pay the luxury tax. So that rate is 7.75%. That's right, if you want to buy a GT350, you got to pay 7.75%. But wait, there's more. If you act now, your butt's also going to have to pay gas guzzler tax. Gas guzzler tax is based on the combined highway and city fuel economy of your vehicle. This car's pushing 15.3 miles per gallon. So that gas guzzler tax added $1,300 on top of an already just under $4,000 of taxes onto my tax bill. So that's over $5,000 of taxes. And then I get this gem in my mailbox the other day. No! My property tax in Connecticut. That's right, even though I already paid all of that tax, I have to pay another $1,100 for taxes on my car every year. Hey, Uncle Sam, you know what you can do with that $1,100? I'm about to lose my mind up in here. So, $5,000 to $6,000 in regular taxes paid up front. $1,100 in taxes every year just to maintain the car, just to have the car. Now, that might go down gradually as the car depreciates, marginally. But I don't see that happening in the near future. And even if it does, it's still going to be $1,000, $900, whatever. I live in Connecticut and work in New York. So those are the woes of living in the tri-state area, I guess. If you live in New York, you don't have to pay car taxes, but your house taxes are astronomical. Hey, Al from Coyote Car Guy, can I move in with you down there in Florida, where you don't have winters, just have awesome riding and driving weather all year long? Or maybe with Mike from Mike J Autos and stuff. Actually, no, I don't want to be burned to a crisp in that nice Arizona heat. But anyway, I digress. You gotta pay to play, and I'm off to pay Uncle Sam a check for $1,100 for this year, for the GT350. So something to think about before you make this commitment to this car, or any such, low gas efficiency, high priced car. I just reached my 1-year anniversary in this car, and my gift was that tax bill. So look forward to my 1-year ownership review of the GT350 coming soon. Alright guys, until the next time, always be kinder than necessary. See you in the next one.